Please don't make me choose. His hands fall away from him. It's not your choice, is it? I whisper, and it's true. It's not my choice. It's Rava's choice. Except she choose what she thinks will be best for her. And right now, from where I'm standing here, watching him as he fights his feelings, trying to keep them under wraps, I think it will break her heart. Will she be kind to me? What? His eyes snap back to mine. Will she be kind to me? Of course, she's kind. I hesitate, surprised by the tremor in my voice. She's kind, I repeat, and this time there's no hesitation. Yes, Rova is very kind, maybe the kind. But what did that matter, kind or not? I won't see him. Not truly, and that is my choice. And yet, I can't help but wonder if he could only see me as me. Would he want to look away? You should go, he murmurs, and his eyes drop down to my lips. Go, he repeats, his voice rougher than sandpaper. Go before you confuse me more, and as I look at him, I see his confusion and his desire warring on his beautiful, handsome face. Oh, gods, why do they have to be at war? Why can't they be allies? Better yet, why can't he come to me, to Caleb, to unravel that web? I want to go to him. I want to tell him that I can read his mind. I want to tell him that I know what he desires. But I'm afraid. I'm afraid of the answer. I'm afraid of the question, so I do the only thing I can. I dip my head in farewell, and I weave. I weave the shadows around me until they're a wall, hiding me from his sight, concealing me, choking me, anchoring me to this stupid, painful place. Caleb, he whispers, and then he's calling my name, and then he's running toward me. He crashes through the trees, tangling in vines and thorns, ripping branches from the roots, and I feel the pain of it all, feel it deep in my own chest. He stops, heart hammering, branches scraping his clothes, and I want to touch him, soothe him, heal him. But I stand rooted like an idiot as he holds out a hand to me. Don't, I breathe, and he looks at me, puzzled, and I shake my head, tears stinging my eyes. No, I whisper again. No, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to make him see me. I don't know if I want him to see me. There's this terror inside me that if he does, he won't want to let go of Irava, and then my life will be the endless torment of living in the same court as him, of knowing he wants me, needing me, but he can't have me. And that's a fate worse than death.